Hello everyone and welcome to TMK Film Research. We're flying the underwater camera system and looking at different ways that the sportsmen in Puget Sound have been fishing. I've been out there myself and a lot of guys are pulling Slab brothers, Slab sisters, the famous Hotspot Flasher. And that's what you're looking at. Behind it, a lot of them have been using a herring helmet of some type, which seems to be real popular. And so we thought we would put one underwater ourselves, give it a look-see, and now I'm going to run real close, slow it down, and you'll be able to watch the hook as it moves around. It's more of a snagging motion, I would think. When the fish comes to bite, the hook swinging around like that, you're bound to snag into the bottom jaw or upper or something along those lines. But this is real popular, especially if your bait's old and soggy. That helmet holds it together. If I look at it another way, this has actually a bright red on it, and here's the same one now with a bright yellow on it, and I slowed it down so you actually can see the action of the hook itself. Where's that hook going? This is the hammered flasher I've used for over 40 years, and it's my own design. I like the way that it has that nice movement. This artificial lures I have been working on forever. We come across this particular one and it has great action and it has produced some nice fish behind our hammered flasher. If you've just joined us, I'd like to welcome you to TMK Film. If you get some time, swing over to Doc C's under Puget Sound. Making a trail, not following a path.